Hey Fit Queen, so just got finished with this 20-minute body weight full body workout, y'all. Whew. I always sweat the most with a body weight workout. All right. Hey Fit Queens, welcome back to Home Workouts with DejaFit, the best YouTube channel for at-home workouts for all fitness levels. Just got done doing this workout, ladies, and trust me, you're gonna love it. This is a real-time workout, which means I'm working out with you. I'm right there in the trenches with you, struggling with you, okay? This workout is gonna be about 18 to 20 minutes. It's just gonna be separated into 3 different body weight circuits. The last circuit is gonna be more of a core circuit, 2 rounds per circuit, 3 circuits total, okay? Also, ladies, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so we can show everybody what the Fit Queen team be doing. Take a sweaty selfie, do a video while you're doing the workout, post it on Instagram or Facebook and tag me so I can see it and show you all. No equipment required for this workout. There will be some modifications as well. So if you see a workout that's previewed that's too hard, I'm probably gonna put a modification because some of these workouts are a little bit hard, okay? All right, ladies, so get some space. I'm so out of breath. Get some space and let's get it in.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. Too much for sure, so cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. treating me right. You could be my only one. That's treating me right, 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 that's treating me right. You could be my only one. Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got devotion, dancing slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off. 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 Making heads turn, you make my heart burn. It's like I'm awake inside of a dream. You're getting closer, night's almost over. I might just ask you to leave now with me.